Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Of course, this is my first video, first uploaded video, I should say. And I ain't gonna lie, this video is a little rusty, but that's okay.
Brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls. Your back against the world. I never trade you for anybody else. Say brown skin.
In today's video, I'm doing this look, which is a black smoky eye with black glitter on top. This look was very simple. I already played myself because for whatever reason I stopped the camera and I thought that I recorded this and I didn't. I'm going to show you what I used to prime my eyes. So I put that all over my lid space to prime my eye, to give something to give my eyeshadow something to stick to. So then moving forward, I used the Inglot black liner. So once I blend the gel liner in, I go ahead and set it with the black shadow. The black eyeshadow that I'm using is out of the box of Crayons palette from the Crayon case. And I'm also going to go in with the shade Tan to blend it out into my brow area so that it's not so harsh as it goes up. So this is the palette. So right here you see me taking that black eyeshadow from the box of Crayons palette and patting that in on my lid. Again, you want to do this to make sure that you're setting that gel liner that you previously put on. When doing a smoky eye, you want to be sure that you're blending out the harsh edges so that you have a nice gradient effect. So I checked that out. I think it looks okay. So now I've picked up that tan from the box of Crayons as well, and I am just putting that right above the black so that we can have a nice blend. Again, you want to make sure that you're doing a lot of blending with this kind of look. It is just a 1 or 2 shadow look, but you still want to make sure that you are blended. So now that we have our black eyeshadow on, I'm going to take my Super Strong Hold Eye Envy Lash Glue and put that on my lid if it focuses. So this is what I use to apply all of my glitter. Nothing else seems to work, and this is the best of the best of the best. So this glue does dry fairly quickly, so you have to be quick when using it. So I'm just spreading that all over my lid space. The glitter that I'm going to be using today is from BFA Glitter. I will be sure to tag their information in the description box. I really like this glitter. It gives a nice shine and it does not irritate my eyes. So I highly recommend. I use it a lot. So we're going to get right into the face. To prime my face, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty. I'm going to just put this on my nose specifically because I do get really oily up in here. So I'm going to put that on my nose, and then after I do that, I'm going to take my Milk Hydrogrip. So right here I've taken a spoolie and I'm using that to flick off any of the fallen glitter that may be stuck to my face. Here I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation in the shade 70NN. So in this clip, you see me using my Real Techniques Instapot brush. I really like this brush because it is huge, which means it covers a lot more of your face when blending, and you get done a little faster, and we all like to save a little time. So this is definitely my go-to brush. It's very soft and it gives you a very nice blend. So here you see me using my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in the shades Medium Beige and Deep Olive. I just started using this concealer and I've grown to really like it. I will say that I did use a little bit too much, so now I know for the future to use a little less. Honestly, these 3 dots alone would have been more than enough coverage, period. So now I know for the future, but in the meantime, we're gonna blend till our arm fall off and we're gonna make it work. So since I did use too much concealer, I'm just taking my foundation brush and I'm going over the edges to bring some of my foundation color back. Here I'll be using the chalk dust from the Crayon case in the shade In. I am not one to bake. I feel like it makes my skin super dry, so I'm just pressing that powder into my skin. Looking good. So to contour, I'm going to be taking my black Opal True Color foundation stick in the color Ebony Brown. Very lightly am I using this in my contour areas. A little bit of this stick goes a very long way, so I'm always very cautious of that. So since a little bit does go a long way, I do not take the foundation stick and put any of it on my forehead. I take what's left over from the brush from my contour area and drag it up into my forehead. So myself, I am not a dramatic nose contour person. So taking the same brush and what's left over, I'm going to drag that in my nose area. And then I'm going to tap on top of it again with my foundation brush. So here I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix Powder in NW58. I'm very heavy-handed. Y'all will learn that, but we're gonna fix it. So I've been working really hard on learning how to do a flawless skin foundation routine. I have been able to do it sometimes, but I'm still working on it, so bear with me. Here I'm just taking some black liner and lining the bottom of my eye. I'm going to be taking these lashes from Lovettes Beauty and popping these on. While the one lash dries, I'm going to just throw some blush on quickly. Once again, being heavy-handed, but we're going to fix it. I'm just going to pop that lash on real quick and we're going to get right into the lips. So here I am taking the NYX Suede lip liner in the color Club Hopper and lining my lips. I'm going to top it off with the black Radiance Urban Nude gloss. I received this gloss as a sample, but I really like it, so I will be buying some more. Lastly, you'll see me taking our trusty hair store lip gloss to add a little bit more shine to our lips to complete this look. This is the finished look. If you like this look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you love this look. Drop a question if you have a question. I will be sure to answer all of the questions below. Don't forget to subscribe. This is my first video, but again, I will be uploading more frequently. Also, be sure to follow me. My social media handles will be left below in the description box, as well as all of the products used to achieve this look. So if you like this look, be sure to subscribe, send it to a friend, you know, all that good stuff. As time goes on, I'll get better and better and better. So until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.